And your mama on the beat.
Brand new Lamborghini, a cop car with a pistol on my hip like I'm a cop. Have you ever met a real good rock star? This ain't no guitar, it's just a clock.
Hey guys, it's me Kelci. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm gonna be giving you guys the realest YouTube advice that you want to know before you start your YouTube channel. Like basically I'm just giving y'all some tips that I wish that I knew before I started my channel. Get ready to get your notepad and your pen and get ready to take some notes, okay? So if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, okay? To be part of my family, because like, hey, I'm on the road to 1K, so without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this video. I'm narrowing this video down into 9 tips, like 9 points. So the first one I'm gonna give you guys is like, know what type of videos you want to do before you start your channel. Like what's your topic, like what are you gonna do? Now there are some YouTubers out there on YouTube that's successful without actually having a niche, but it's up to you. Like, do you have a certain topic that you want to, like, or you have a certain thing that you want to post? Like, you want to do makeup, you want to do vlogs, you want to do cooking, you want to do crafts, do you want to do YouTube tips, you want to do editing tips? Like, it depends on you. Like, know what you're gonna upload, okay? Just figure out, like, what do I want to do, what do I want to upload, okay? So number 2, the most important thing that catches YouTubers, well, subscribers' attention, like people's attention to the channel, is like your branding. And what I mean by branding is like your channel art, your intro, your outro, all that type of stuff. So make sure you have like a good channel art intro to make people like, oh, okay, I like her brand, I like her outlook, you know, of her channel. Like, let me tell y'all, to be honest, there's some people out there that will literally subscribe to you just because they like your intro. I'm one of those people, to be honest. Like, if I see somebody's intro and I like the intro, it makes me want to subscribe. Like, oh my gosh, they got a good intro, so hey, let me click subscribe, period. So just make sure you get you a good intro, channel art and all that stuff. Hey, you can make your own intro and stuff, but there's some people out there that don't feel like making their own stuff. So hey, I'm one of those people out there that make intros, outros, channel arts, all that stuff. So if you guys want an intro, outro, channel art, any of that stuff, you can check me on Instagram at KNicoleCustoms, okay? Cause I can hook you up, okay? Let me tell y'all, this tip is so important. Be consistent when it comes to having your YouTube channel. When I first started out, I used to watch YouTube advice and tips videos and that type of stuff, and then like one thing that YouTube would always stress was being consistent. And I always was be like, I don't think being consistent is gonna help me work. Like, I don't see it happening. Like, what's that got to do with me gaining subscribers and stuff? I wish I had to follow that rule a long time ago, because let me tell you, I had my channel for about 4 or 5 years. And I've been on and off. That's why I haven't been so successful on YouTube, because I was just going on and off. Let me tell you guys, being consistent is so important when having a YouTube channel. I've actually started posting consistently. Okay, so I don't actually have certain days where I post, but I post at least twice a week. Most YouTubers say if you post at least once or twice a week, the algorithm will notice your channel and boost your videos out there. Like, they will put your videos out there for everybody to see. Lately, when I have been posting twice a week, my analytics have been like looking good. My analytics has not been looking like this ever before. And I'm gonna tell y'all, since I've started posting twice a week, everything just went up. My watch hours boosted, my subscribers boosted, my views boosted, the average view duration, all that stuff just went up. That's when I was like, I wish I had have just been listening to the other YouTubers from a few years ago, because who knows where my channel will be right now. That's why I'm stressing, be consistent. You don't have to post twice a week like I do. As long as you post at least once every week, you'll be fine. So tip number 4 is learn how to do SEO. Basically, SEO is basically all about your titles and tags and keywords and stuff like that. And those 3 things are what makes your YouTube video gets noticed. Most people think, oh, you just post a video and upload it, blah blah blah, and boom, I get noticed. It's not that easy if you're a new YouTuber. That's why I say using keywords, knowing how to word your titles and tags that will get your video viewed. There are actually some YouTubers out there that I personally watch, Annie and Catherine Manning. These are some YouTubers that actually help me a lot. Like, let me tell y'all, if it wasn't for them, I don't even know where I would be with my channel right now. So I recommend those two YouTubers because they actually give out a lot of information when it comes to SEO, YouTube videos, and like how to grow your channel, how to get views, monetization, all that stuff. So I recommend checking those two channels out. Next tip, I don't even know what number we're on, to be honest, but the next tip I want to give you guys is have a list of videos on hand, because if you don't have a list of videos on hand when it comes to uploading time, you don't have a YouTube video and you're like stressing like,
oh my gosh, I'm gonna miss this week's upload, oh my gosh, I don't have anything filmed.
Let me tell you, I have a folder on my phone where I have YouTube video ideas, and I actually have a bunch on my list. Even if you don't know if you're gonna do it for sure, go ahead and write it down. One day you might say you're not gonna do it now, but one day you're gonna be like, I think I'm gonna do this video. Like, I have a bunch of videos on my list that I'm probably not even gonna do. I'm saying that right now, but later on in the end I might say, you know what, I'm gonna try out this video. So any idea that you come across, write it down, okay? And speaking of having a bunch of videos on a list, make sure, you know, whenever you have time to film a video, do it, okay? So if you have a bunch of videos on hand, let's say you come across a time where you don't have time to film a video, then that's fine, because you have videos and sitting on your computer or on your phone that you can edit and upload it. So that's why I actually record videos like back to back. So, because sometimes there's gonna be times where I won't even have time to film, or times where you don't even feel like filming. You have videos on hand, you know, videos on sitting on your computer or your phone that you can just sit there and edit. That's my key to uploading at least twice a week. Whenever I have time to film a video, I go ahead and film it. The next tip I want to give you guys is thumbnails. A lot of people don't notice, but your thumbnails is what gets your videos views. Let's say like thumbnails is like a book cover of a book. Let me give you a quick short little story. When I was younger in elementary school, when it was time to go to the library and pick out books, I would always pick out books by the book cover. The book cover could be so pretty, but I wouldn't be interested in the book. You know what I'm saying? The thumbnails is what gets your video views, is what makes people click on your video. So if you make really nice, noticeable, clean, bright thumbnails, then you will have people clicking on your video. Watch videos on YouTube about how to make thumbnails and all that type of stuff. You know, make sure that your thumbnails are like up here so you can get people to click on your video. Another thing that I really want to stress about is don't look at your sub count and your analytics like too often, especially when you're like starting out, because most YouTubers, small YouTubers, they kind of stress about growing so fast and stuff. Like, they're probably wondering like, why am I not getting views? Why am I not getting subscribers? Like, let me tell you, if you look at your like analytics or your subscriber count like every 10 minutes, that can be like very stressful and depressing, as you see like, why am I not gaining? Why am I not growing? Let me tell you guys, growing on YouTube takes time. You know, everybody has their different speed of growth. It takes time. You just need to be patient, work hard with your channel, be patient. Like, your time will eventually come. Now, I can say like, you know, you can look at it at least maybe like 2 or 3 times a day, but don't look at it like every hour or every like 15 minutes. You know, don't look at your stuff all the time, because like I said, it can become depressing and stressful, and then it'll make you want to quit. And I'm saying like, if you quit YouTube, that's kind of bad, because let's say in a few years now, you don't know where your channel's going to be. Maybe even like in a few couple of months, you don't even know where your channel's going to be. Like I'm saying, if you keep pushing, you're gonna get there. Don't stop, don't quit. It's gonna be hard. It's not easy, okay? I'm just letting you guys know that now. It's not easy, but if you keep pushing, you'll get there. I'm telling you guys, the hard work will be worth it. Just noticing from a small YouTuber who has her channel for like 4 or 5 years and just kept quitting, but all of a sudden I have taken more time into my channel and being more serious about it and actually doing research behind my channel and learning how to like grow and all that stuff. It's actually paying off. Make sure you guys don't quit. Just keep pushing. Find motivation every day. Even if you're making small progress, it's still progress to your channel. Small progress is better than no progress at all. Just remember that. And that is all my tips I basically want to give you guys. Like, these are basically tips that I wish I have known before I actually started my channel, and I hope you guys will take these tips and it will help you with your channel. If you guys have any questions or anything, you guys can let me know. Like, I will happily answer your questions. And if you guys want to know any more information, or you want me to do like another part 2 or anything, I will do that. Like I said, I just wish you guys so much luck on your journey. And like I said, us small YouTubers, we're gonna get there, okay? Just keep pushing, just keep going. And I wish you guys the best luck of your journey. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this big video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.
I ain't your man, that's true enough.